Hi everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you through the Kraken Wallet app installation process in today's tutorial. To begin, launch the Play Store on your device. Tap the search bar at the top. Finally, enter Kraken Wallet. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Simply tapping the install icon begins the installation process. Allow it to start downloading. After the download is completed, tap on Open. Go to the account at the bottom. Then tap on Create Account. You can now create a new account with the instructed steps or tap on I already have an account to log in into your existing account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.